Strawberry Bellini, sparkling elegance in a glass. Welcome to the world of exquisite cocktails where luscious strawberries meet bubbly prosecco in a harmonious union known as the Strawberry Bellini. If you're a fan of refreshing beverages with a touch of sophistication, this delightful concoction is sure to become a favorite. Whether you're hosting a brunch gathering, celebrating a special occasion, or simply indulging in some self-pampering, the Strawberry Bellini adds a burst of flavor and effervescence to any moment. Ingredients: serves for 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced. 1 tablespoon sugar, adjust to taste depending on sweetness of strawberries. 1 bottle, 750 milliliters, chilled prosecco or sparkling wine. Fresh whole strawberries for garnish. Mint leaves for garnish, optional instructions. Begin by preparing the strawberry puree. In a blender or food processor, combine the sliced strawberries and sugar. Blend until smooth and well combined. Taste the puree and add more sugar if needed to suit your preference. Strain the strawberry puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or pulp, ensuring a smooth texture for your Bellini. Chill the strawberry puree in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. When it's time to enjoy your Strawberry Bellini, divide the chilled strawberry puree evenly among 4 champagne flutes, filling each flute about 1/3 full. Slowly pour chilled prosecco or sparkling wine into each flute, filling the remaining 2/3 of the glass. The effervescence of the sparkling wine will mix beautifully with the strawberry puree, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Gently stir each Bellini with a cocktail stirrer to combine the flavors while maintaining the bubbly texture. Garnish each glass with a fresh whole strawberry on the rim and a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. Serve immediately and toast to delightful moments with loved ones. Why you'll love it. The Strawberry Bellini is more than just a cocktail, it's a celebration in a glass. The natural sweetness of fresh strawberries paired with the crisp, sparkling notes of prosecco creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. This cocktail is not only visually stunning, with its vibrant pink hue and garnishes that elevate its presentation, but it also offers a refreshing and light experience that's perfect for brunches, garden parties, or any occasion where you want to add a touch of sparkle and sophistication. Subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing cocktail recipes, mixology tips, and creative ways to elevate your entertaining game. Cheers to sipping in style and creating unforgettable moments.